Hello everyone. In the coming years, generative AI expertise will no longer be optional. It will become a core hiring requirement across the tech industry. Today, I want to clearly explain what career opportunities are available for learners who complete a generative AI training program. Once you complete structured training in machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and agentic AI systems, you became eligible for multiple high demand industry roles such as machine learning engineer, data scientist, generative AI developer, LLM engineer, AI research engineer, NLP engineer, as well as AI application developer. So these are not technical roles. They are actively hiring positions across multiple startups, product companies, and MNCs. To make this practical and transparent, we will now search live on platforms like LinkedIn, Naukri, Glassdoor, and Indeed to see real job openings, required skills, salary ranges, and company expectations. Okay, I'll go to LinkedIn and then I'll search for LLM engineer. LLM engineer. We can see there are 99 plus jobs openings are there currently for this generative AI engineer or LLM engineer. I'll open this generative AI engineer and we'll see what are the required skills. See? Okay, key responsibilities. Okay, we need LLM integration and also we need RAG and you need some other technologies, NLP, etc. Experience minimum 2 years. It's fine. Next, AI engineer. I'll open AI engineer as well. Opening from setra.ai. Okay, about this job. Okay, role and responsibilities, role summary. Engineer who passionate about building real world production ready AI systems. Okay, who has expertise in machine learning, generative AI, and agentic frameworks. Okay, these all these technologies and these skills that we'll be covering in our course. Okay, next. Naukri. I'll get to navigate to Naukri. In this platform, I'll search for generative AI developer. Generative AI developer. In this, we have many openings here. You can see many openings. Now, I'll click on a LLM or generative AI developer from Neural Monks. One more job openings. Generative AI developer or AML developer. I'll take AML developer. Once if you complete this course, even you will be eligible for this AML developer as well. And even here also you can see the skills are same. The skill sets are same. AML, LLMs, diffusion models, or transformers. As I tell that LLMs are the basics, or they're trained on this transformer technology. And RAG. Okay, this retrieval augmented generation. Okay, these are pipelines. They're expecting a RAG technology or RAG pipelines architecture, computer science or data science, everything. See, as these are some, as we discussed, these are the main important libraries. PyTorch or TensorFlow, Keras, these are Hugging Face transformer libraries. I'll navigate to Glassdoor and I'll search for data scientist. Even this is also a related field, data scientist. Okay, okay, city, I'll give it in India. Okay, I'll give it India. The location, I'll get it. Okay, here see, I'm having 4611 data scientist jobs in India. This is very vast number. Around 4,500 plus jobs only in India. Okay, LLM AI engineer. And see, your qualification of the job are AI, and it should be in master degree or data science. You should know Python. Also, you should know machine learning as well as NLP, natural language programming. And basically, again, they are asking LLMs and agentic AI engineering or agentic AI frameworks. See, whatever you take any LLM engineer or data scientist or AI developer or generative AI developer, the skills may be common. Okay, the skills may be common in all the roles. Finally, we'll move to Indeed. Finally, we move to engine and then I'll search artificial intelligence engineer. Artificial intelligence engineer. My location, I'm giving it as Hyderabad, Telangana. You can see LLM engineer or AI engineer. Yeah, here also, here it's in Kondapur, Atria Technologies Private Limited, and the salary ranges so so and so 50,000 to 1.5 lakh. Okay, is paying 50K to 1.5 lakh per month location and about the role. And see, LLMs, we are frequently seeing this technology or this LLM technique in each and every job, which is related to AI, agentic AI team. modern AI systems, and see programming and software technologies. Okay, you need to, these are machine learning pipeline. You need to clean the data, maintain the data, and modern services and other like pipeline, CI/CDs, LLM integrations, workflows. These are some of the, and also see we again RAG pipelines. It is repeated. RAG pipelines. It is repeated, and data pipelines, etc. These are some of the job requirements or openings as of now currently which are they are hiring in the market for AI systems. Okay, thank you everyone.